If you're wondering how to buy your next home before selling your current one, you're not alone. This is one of the biggest questions homeowners ask when they're thinking about making a move. Maybe you've outgrown your current home. Maybe you're downsizing, or maybe you found a property you love and you do not want to lose it. The good news is there is always a way to make it happen. But the mistake a lot of people make is assuming that it's just a house hunting question. It's not. It's a strategy question. And if you get the strategy wrong, you can create a lot of unnecessary pressure, financial risk, and bad timing. There are usually a few ways to approach this. One option is using the equity in your current home to fund the purchase of the next one. Another option is writing an offer that's conditional on your current home selling. In some cases, selling first actually puts you in the strongest possible position because you know your numbers, you remove uncertainty, and you can negotiate with more confidence. And in the right situation, bridge financing can also help if the timing between the sale and purchase needs to be lined up. The challenge is this: the right option for one homeowner can be the wrong option for another. It depends on your equity, your financing, your risk tolerance, and the kind of market you're buying and selling in. That's why there is no one-size-fits-all answer. You need a plan based on your situation. Before you start looking at homes, before you fall in love with the next property, and definitely before you start writing offers, you need clarity. You need to know, what is your current home actually worth? How much equity do you really have? What can you qualify for? What timeline makes the most sense? And what sequence gives you the best outcome with the least amount of stress? That's exactly why I offer a free real estate strategy call. It's simple conversation designed to help you understand your options, identify the risks, and build a plan that works for your move. No pressure, no obligation, just clear advice based on your goals and your numbers. So if you're thinking about buying a home before selling your current one, don't guess. Don't rely on generic advice. And don't wait until you're under pressure to figure it out. Book a free real estate strategy call with me, and let's map out the right plan before you make your next move. Because the right move starts with the right strategy.